Hello and welcome to Twitter for Twits. I'm Ed Kirwan and we're going to go through in this course everything you need from setting up your Twitter profile through engagement and lists, building up your library, and then finally monetizing with the lead magnet that we're going to add to Gumroad. And I'll show you also how you can make a new product really quickly and simply to do all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, this is where we're going to deal with our Twitter profile. Your profile is the most important part of your account because it's your shop window to the world. It's what most people see when they come and they want to find out what you're about. Now you can play with your profile by using this control here where you can upload a new image. Images you can make very easily in Canva or Crello, both free, and give you the right sizes. You want to put your name, whether it's a private name as in my case or a brand name, and then you've got 160 characters to say what you do, and you want to say it in as concise a way as you can to grab people's attention and encourage them to go to your downloads, to whatever your offers are. And in the second box here I want to point out this says location, and a lot of people will put their location, but this is what you can use for a call to action with your website in the third box. And then when you save that, you can see what it looks like. So instead of having a location here, I've got a call to action and a link. Okay, so that's my profile. Go and have a look at other people's profiles so that you get a good idea. It depends which niche you're in, of course. Alice here with over 50,000 followers. She shows what she does. Has a call to action here for her Instagram account. Mind Haste here again, helping you to use mind to be who you should be, etc. And in this case, instead of a location, he's put a starting point with a link to wherever he wants people to go. So have a look around at the various people. Smart Money has a very enticing profile, and as does Mark Thompson. Marking doesn't have to be complicated. And J.K. Molina similarly. So have a look inside your niche, have a look around. I mean, look at that wonderful tiger. It's enticing and catches your attention. So that is your profile. Work on it. You'll probably want to change it from time to time. And you can go into Canva and make your free Twitter headers. They'll give you the correct size for making your designs there. You just download them and upload them using the edit buttons. Okay, that's it for profile. Go and work on a good profile and keep an eye on it through your Google Analytics. Let me just run over that quickly. When you need to go to more and go to your analytics, and you'll see how many profile clicks you've had. We're just at the start of the month here. I've had profile visits 11.4 thousand, down 15%, which is a bit of a shame. We want to see those figures being green, but this is something to keep an eye on once a week or so that you can see what your progress is from this. That's from December 21, and now we've just started January. And we've got 40 new followers in the last 28 days, and you can explore your tweet activity. It goes on over a 28-day period, and then what you want to be looking for is your best tweets. Here's one got 8.7% engagement, and these have got poor engagement. That's 3.7. I've had them as high as 15%, but they don't seem to be here today. But these aren't too bad. Nearly 6% there. 7.3, 6.6, and you can make a note of these later on and put them in your swipe files and make new tweets like them. Okay, so that's it for your profile. Go ahead, make yourself a good profile, keep an eye on its progress, and keep sharpening it up until you've got it exactly at optimum how you want it. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.